Hi guys, today we are gonna be unboxing this amazing parcel. I got it mainly for one thing, and probably I will show you it as the first stuff. So that's the massage gun, and it is absolutely amazing, especially if you are like working as a nail tech or in a salon and your hands and arms and shoulders are really in agony. This stuff works a magic, so let's try it. So I got mine on SHEIN, and I give you a link in the description on this video because it's definitely worth it. So you can see it comes in a box and a charger, so you can charge it. It's actually amazing, it's black and gold, so this is even better. And it comes with different heads, so like depending what part of body you are pretty sore. I actually love the ball itself the most, because that can get rid of really bad issue. It comes already charged, and yeah, let's put it on. You want to hold the button for a pretty decent amount of the time till it comes on, and then it gives you a strength number 1. You press it 2, 3, 4, 5. And the most amazing thing about it is like it will get rid of any sore muscles. Like this is actually amazing because I'm doing it here, but I can already feel it all the way on my arm. So absolutely I love it. Like you have to guys try it. It gives so much relief. You can actually do it on your hands as well. I do not use it on my bones, but I would use it on my bum as well and on my thighs. It will actually help to make them nice and firm. You can see even how the trousers are moving probably. So definitely this gun is a lifesaver, especially if you are in quite a lot of pain. Actually, it goes to speed number 6. I just noticed it now. I use it a lot, and I do really highly recommend it. It's absolutely amazing. Of course, I did got some nail lamps, which I will test as well, and a face mask. This one is pretty interesting too. So this is a LED face LED mask therapy. Oh my goodness, I'm terrible. And I really wanted to try it because the winter time is a time when I tend to take more care of my skin, like, you know, some micro needling and other things. So this seems quite nice as well. It comes with the strap. We are not gonna put it on, but maybe we have to actually. No, you don't. You just press it there, and it comes with the different light. So you can see it. We've got some green, blue. Let's try in blue. And then you put it with the strap, which comes in here as well. And I'm definitely gonna use it and try it to see different lights works for different things. This is actually awesome. It looks pretty cool. So you've got some purple one, green, blue, white, definitely red. Yeah, there we are. I wonder what kind of results it gives me, like trying it on like every day for a couple minutes, because as I say, the winter time is the best for a skincare. And of course I got some other things like a hair straightener, a small, nice and small one, just so I can tidy up those sticking out bits and pieces after bleaching a hair. And then we do have also another facial. So that's a face slimming machine. I'm actually quite curious about it as well, because obviously as the much older I get, the more jowls are showing up. So I would like to do something about this part of my face, and I'm gonna test it and let you know how I get on. I hope you have really enjoyed this slightly different video. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and see you in the next one. Bye!